In this video, I will be covering the IsFocusable interface function for Interactables. This function allows you to determine whether or not an interactable is focusable or not, meaning whether or not it gets highlighted and a player can interact with it. As you can see in this example, the simple spin once, when interacted with, the cube will spin once, become uninteractable, meaning you can't do anything with it, and once it stops, you can then interact with it again. Now this is really easily achieved by overriding the IsFocusable function to do something more than just return true. In the previous tutorials, we simply just return true and this interactable becomes always interactable. But now we've tied it to the state of the timeline that's playing. So when this thing spins, a timeline gets animated and it causes the set actor rotation to happen as we've done before. But this time, we check to see if it's playing. If it's currently playing, which means it's currently spinning, then we want to simply take the not of this. So when it's playing, we want it to not be focusable. When it's not playing, then we want it to not be focusable, or we want it to be focusable. And by returning that, that simply means we cannot interact with this until it's done spinning. And that is pretty much how to use the IsFocusable interface method. You can tie any logic you want to this as long as it simply returns true or false as to whether this interactable can be focused.